Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming critical prerequisites, Windows updates, and a reboot. Then install the latest GPU drivers using the vendor's Clean Install option to remove old driver remnants. Next, run the DirectX End-User Runtimes, June 2010, installer to restore missing DLLs. This often resolves runtime errors. Once done, make sure Riot Vanguard and Valorant are closed before applying installs so files replace correctly. If you use integrated graphics, switch to your dedicated GPU in Windows graphics settings now to avoid driver mismatches. Now you move into deeper repairs. First, verify Valorant files with the Riot Client's repair or scan tool to replace corrupted game data. Then open an elevated PowerShell and run sfc/scano. Follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix Windows component corruptions that break DirectX. Also reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ 2015, 2019, x86, and x64 redistributables, because missing runtimes cause loader errors. Make sure to reboot after each. Finish by reinstalling Riot Vanguard and Valorant while running the installers as administrator. This ensures service and driver registration succeeds. Then set Valorant to use your high-performance GPU in Windows graphics settings and confirm game launch options are default. If the error persists, collect logs, Riot Client and Windows Event Viewer, and try a new OS user profile or a targeted system refresh to rule out profile corruption. One key troubleshooting tip: if errors continue after all steps, temporarily test with another GPU driver version, previous stable release.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.